I've been with Sigma for about a year now. We just re-signed for another 2 because we loved it that much. Before we implemented Sigma, we were with Data Studios, and we ended up with a lot of time and effort to get to subpar visualizations of data. And what we've been able to do over the course of the past year using Sigma and bringing the data up to make data-driven decisions across all levels of our company has been just nothing short of spectacular. It was a no-brainer to use Sigma, just in the ease of use and what we're able to do as a company as a whole, and how easy it was to really get it set up for the first time. The support team is outstanding. That particular piece of it's grown by leaps and bounds with the availability of the support team, the ability to have and talk to anybody at any given point to solve the issues if we have any, from our CEO and all the way down to department heads to individual agents are able to use the tool and again, look at what they're doing on any given day and make proper decisions in how to move forward. The things that might have taken hours, we're able to do in minutes. And so the opportunity for that team to review this data regularly, make changes to our flow, and see how that impacts the outcome. We're able to do more because it takes less time to do the analysis and the setup. When we put changes in place in our consumer flow, we can actually look at that over a short period of time and say, that made a difference because now we're seeing X% or Y% higher completions. Because once somebody sees what Sigma can do in the company, everybody wants a piece of that. The visibility that we see as a company now to the business drivers that we have and understanding of what changes we can make and how that is impacted has been stellar. Over my career, I've probably used a dozen or so different BI tools. From my experience over 20 plus years of doing that, Sigma has been the easiest for us to set up and the easiest for us to get up to speed. It is a very complicated business. Using Sigma to assist with what we do on the insurance side of our business has really streamlined what we can do. With the ability to see the data that we need to see with all of the conditional elements that come into play, it helps us make proper data-driven business decisions. I would definitely recommend Sigma. The fact that I'm able to get done and accomplish the things I need to get done in a really easy manner has been really changing for my job, for my career.